Alright guys, quick review on the OTR over the radiator intake. Looks amazing, seems to have massive performance gains. This car's been cammed and other things, but definitely increased airflow. It looks really good with these infill panels. I think it looks better than factory, to be honest. Very easy to get on and off, just those two little ring clamps, and then this is a little sensor that's in the rubber boot, which just unclips under there, and that's it. So quicker and easy to get your intake on and off comparative to the factory unit, and looks better and gives you much higher flow. So we'll take it for a spin. Alright guys, well as you can see, the car goes awesome. This car has been cammed, as I said before, and has a full exhaust system, so it's got nearly 200 extra horsepower over stock, but it needs the OTR to get there. The OTR looks fantastic, it sounds really good, you get a little bit of induction noise. Yeah, links are in the description, check it out. I highly recommend it, definitely.